Hey everybody, quick little shorten up on the homestead here. The weeds are so bad I borrowed my neighbor's weed eater. So he's doing his job. Get them weeds. Whack it down. Whack it down. Just stay out of the yard. Good job, buddy. Good job, bully. Hey, bully. You're not supposed to go in the yard. What are you doing? Don't make me get the dogs out. I gotta finish this fence. Marley, get out of here. Come on. Back out. You are a beast. That's the only reason you come down here, huh? It's because you know you can break in. Go somewhere else then. I don't need a weed whacker. Adios.